Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Man Matters, to get expert advice on your health and wellness.